Welcome everyone to the next episode. So first of all, let's get right to it. We don't need the crafting table, we don't need the bed, but we do need the furnace. Next, no add up here. The other add is kind of, the add down here is annoying. Okay, add here. Item. I want to do like molten diamond or something. You know that's not a thing. Ooh. That might be good. Maybe not. Yeah. There's something that used to be in Minecraft, but it's not anymore. Well, you actually saw it. Still, it's kind of cool. See, he might have a ruby. Wait. It's one of these. No, it's not a troll. It's not a troll. He's gonna have a. That looks kind of like molten-y. Molten. This is molten diamond. First of all, night. I need you to be exact so it's easier to control you. Perfect. Yep. Need to be a ruby. Let's rename it because this is what it is. Molten diamond. Totally is. So now let's scroll down here. Molten diamond, locked parent. Parent will be night. His body part will be left arm. Molten diamond. You are in the sky. You need to be a little bigger. Smaller. And you have yours active even though people won't be able to see you like that. So then he has a ruby in his hand. He'll spawn. This is where the animation will be. Right here. And then add. Nope, not instance. Add. Block. Furnace. Smeltery. Smelter, it's not really a smeltery, but whatever. The burning furnace. Let's go. Do 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 do. There we go. And let's also add light. Be lighty. Its name's Lighty. I don't need Lighty that much. Well, this part of the animation. When not. Never mind. I wasn't saying anything. I don't need to be able to see it. On the strength to be like 50, but I don't need to be able to see it. There we go. I'll test out the color in a little bit. So then, night. Here is my amazing walking animation. So, your left leg. Your left leg will. Hello, left leg. Where did the yellow stuff go? You have to do it like this. Bending. You can bend stuff? Well, nice. And the right leg, you will go like that. And you'll bend it like that. Left arm, you keep doing that. Like that. Bend you like that. Right arm, you go back and bend like that. There, look at that. Look at that beautifulness. But then all you will there. Oh my gosh, it looks realistic with the bending. I just learned about it. Oh, let's move you more this way. Left leg, you will now move forward. Her bending will go back. Her right leg, you will now move back, and your bending will go like that. Left arm, you will now go forward, and your bending will go like that. Left arm, go back, and your bending will go like that. I'll move you more over here. Right leg. Left leg, you need bending now. Right leg, I'll move you a little. Nope. Left leg, little less. Right leg. Left arm. Right arm, move you back. Boom. This is realism. Now I have left is the right arm. Nope. Her left leg will go like that. Her right leg will go like that. Her arm will go like that. Your left arm will go like that. And it keeps soaring in, and once it enters, the exact moment it enters, this furnace will die. The new furnace come and take its place. Wait a second. How will I move forward? How will I move this forward? Now there's kind of at a tilt, but I can't move forward because they're random. What do I even do to make it disappear? What am I doing? Oh my gosh, that's cool. I could do that. Alpha, what does this do? Oh, I could make it like fade. Scale. Rotation. Oh, okay, that's what I did. Wait. And right here. Oh. Okay. And right here, the furnace will stay sitting. And right here, the light will come up. And instead of over there, it will be coming from right here. Wait. In a second. Okay, then I put it in here. And over here. And then kind of a weird control. Yep. So now it's right in the middle of the furnace. And then I crank up the light a little bit. Wait, is it underground? No, it is not. And the light right here will be back underground. Right here, does that look good? Or is like, I'll try an orange. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. Oh wait, found a mistake. But then right here, they make sure none of the time. See, like right here, it is away. No. Like right here, it is away from his hand. There you go. See, look, this is the start of our animation. So yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Before I end off the episode, I decided not to. This, I want it to be Knight's Adventure. Now I want to do a little more thing. Now let's scroll down. Do I not need? I do not need for an A. Any of those. All I need left is night. And right here. Why did all of a sudden? No. What did? Lighty? Yeah, light stays. Do reset everything. Left leg, right leg. Now let's get close. Bring him out of the ground. Oh, let's make you not so bendy. There. Okay. Add character skeleton model will be obviously skeleton. Wait, no, I'm not going to do a skeleton. Skeleton. So last year. Enderman. So they can teleport instead of having them have to walk in, because it will be less of an effort. Okay. Add whenever you do like Enderman, or if you do say of me, like T2, you always want to do stuff with light. So the regular light, of course, just bring it down. You want its strength to be maximum. Now lit that up somehow. Here. I want the color hot pink is my preference. Then right here, and then right here, boom, boom, boom. And right at this point, a super bright purple light goes right there. So it's like, he throws that in, the light comes on from the furnace, and the Enderman light comes. Let's take, see at this shot, the Enderman comes. And then right here, he spins around and throws his right arm up. And the Enderman teleports. Right here, left arm will be the same. His arm will be over here. Again, same with the light. And right here, here you go. Down, throws Ruby in, gets up. Enderman light, and then the Enderman smacks him across the face. Right here is the left arm, hits him, and he goes flying. Here's the animation. There. So yeah, the next episode I will make this him bring out the sword and slaying the Enderman, and then the noble quest to regain it after the Enderman steals it, because he doesn't fully kill the Enderman. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next episode. Goodbye.